Welcome to Bountiful Homestead, where we explore innovative and sustainable ways to green our living spaces. Today, we're digging into the world of recycled container vegetable gardening, an eco-friendly approach that combines recycling with growing your own food. Let's begin with what recycled container vegetable gardening is. It's the practice of repurposing various containers as planters for growing vegetables. This method is not only cost-effective, but also environmentally friendly, reducing waste and the need for new gardening supplies. First, you'll need to select suitable containers. Look around your home for items like old buckets, yogurt pots, plastic bottles, or even worn-out boots. The only requirement is that they must be deep enough to accommodate the roots of the vegetables you wish to grow. For leafy greens, a depth of 6 to 8 inches is sufficient, but for root vegetables like carrots or potatoes, aim for at least 12 inches. Next, prepare your containers for planting. Drill or punch several drainage holes in the bottom to prevent waterlogging, which can lead to root rot. If the container is too deep, fill the bottom with stones or broken pottery to aid in drainage and to reduce the amount of potting soil needed. Choosing the right soil is crucial for container gardening. Opt for a high-quality potting mix that's rich in organic matter. You can also make your own by mixing equal parts of garden soil, compost, and peat moss or coconut coir. This mix will ensure good aeration and moisture retention. Now let's talk about planting. You can start with seeds or seedlings, depending on your preference and the growing season. When planting seeds, refer to the packet for spacing and depth instructions. For seedlings, make sure to loosen the root ball gently before placing them in the soil to encourage healthy root growth. Watering your container garden requires attention to detail. Containers dry out faster than ground soil, so regular watering is necessary. However, be mindful not to overwater, as too much moisture can be detrimental. A good rule of thumb is to water when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Sunlight is another critical factor. Most vegetables require at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Place your containers in a spot where they'll receive ample light. If you're limited on space or sunlight, consider growing leafy greens or herbs, which can tolerate partial shade. Lastly, don't forget about feeding your plants. A balanced, water-soluble fertilizer applied every 2 to 4 weeks can promote healthy growth. Be sure to follow the package directions for the best results. As your plants grow, monitor them for pests and diseases. Regular inspection and prompt action can prevent most issues. Companion planting and natural remedies like neem oil can help keep your garden healthy and thriving. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to starting your own recycled container vegetable garden. Not only does this method save you money, but it also contributes to a healthier planet. For more detailed information and additional tips, check out the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit our blog for more gardening insights. See you next time at Bountiful Homestead.